Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to change the tensioner pulley on a second gen Dodge Ram. This is going to be for the 5.2 liter and the 5.9 liter engine. A couple days ago I started hearing a grinding noise coming from the engine bay, and I was able to narrow it down to the tensioner pulley. The tensioner itself seems to be okay, so I'm just going to be changing out the pulley. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is just take our 15 millimeter and remove the tension on the belt. Do that, just push it towards the center of the vehicle over that pulley, but you don't want to let your belt fall down all the way, so just let it sit like that for now. All right, so once you got that loose, just go ahead and remove your bolt. Okay, and remove the pulley. And then there's your old bearing. And here's some grinding in the bearing. Here's the new bearing. Just want to make sure that they match up. And they look like they have the same amount of teeth. So good to go. And you're going to reuse your old bolt. Take your new bearing and slide it over that sleeve. And then just reinstall the bolt. Just want to get it to where it's tight, and then just give it like another 1/8 of a turn, snug it up. Alright, now you're going to reinstall the belt the same way you took it off. It's a good idea to refer to your belt routing in case the belt fell off. You just want to make sure that your belt lines back up on the bottom pulley. And then this pulley. Okay. Just compress the tensioner again. Slide it over the idler pulley. It's a good idea to give it a couple tugs, make sure everything's flush on all the pulleys. And just make sure your socket doesn't get stuck on your bolt. All the pulleys look good, so I'm going to go ahead and start it up and see if there's a difference. Alright, well that's how you change the tensioner pulley on a second gen Dodge Ram. If you found the video helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching.